Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Ethereum, Solana, and SUI price prediction based on Elliott Wave analysis. We're gonna start with Ethereum, and today I'm gonna cover also the all-time history, just as a reminder what we might expect next, and also in the micro level, of course, after all. So starting with Ethereum as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here, impulse towards the upside, finished wave A or wave 1, followed by a 3 waves down and 3 waves up, 3 waves down again. Potential WXNY finished in a very long time, and that means, of course, this a very long time might be here. Our wave B, of course, that it might unfold a wave C later on. This wave C might be, of course, an A, B, and a C. We're looking, of course, for something very high, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Of course, in cycles, definitely this impulse is gonna be. And currently, we have a 112 internally inside this wave 1, and we are still estimating our wave 2 between the perfect fib levels 0.618, 0.786. Now, in case of a bear market, continuation toward the downside, meaning your wave Y is not finished yet. That means, of course, your wave Y might be a 3 ways down, 3 ways up in a zigzag here, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 impulse for a wave C in an expanding flat for a wave Y, meaning, of course, a large WXNY correction wave 2 in this case scenario, and then we push toward the upside in a massive wave 3. In case that the wave Y is finished over there, very likely that a wave B only is unfolding, and that because, of course, the 0.38 has to be taken, of course, with one more low over there. Let's dive inside it as well. On the 2 hours chart here, we are still estimating our last drop. Let's go for hour, by the way, to see all the pattern. We have 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, 4, and a 5. In the last drop downward, we are still estimating this correction to be finished or not yet. That means, of course, one more low can be possible here. We're gonna dive, of course, on the 1 hour. But basically, we have an A, B, and a C, meaning wave C is a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, or you are in a W, X, and a wave Y here. The wave Y is finished, over there, meaning we are bullish already in 112. Now, be careful because, of course, with a wave 5 here for a wave C, A, B, and a C, meaning a wave 5 might unfold and take the 886 and even takes our bearish confirmation, meaning, of course, invalidation of this impulse as a wave 1, taking, of course, the new low as, of course, a bear market confirmation, and that means the deep wave Y that we saw, of course, on the daily, expanding flat in a wave Y, which it has to unfold a 1, 2, and then deeper wave 3, 4, and a 5 towards the downside, guys. Let's dive inside this area here for the 1 hour chart. We are looking as well, of course, for this potential 112, as we mentioned, or it can be a W, X, and a Y, or an ABC. So A, B, and a C also very likely here finished with wave C there. And we might be as well at the same time here in a finished expanding diagonal as an A, B, and a C, 5 waves. We drop down, or we are in a potential W, X, and a wave Y, which I doubt it a little bit. I see, of course, 5 waves here, so very likely is a wave C, or we are in a 1, 2, and then, of course, this diagonal is a wave 1 again, and another wave 2 unfolding right now. Now, this case scenario here that I would like to focus on it is this drop as a potential 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 in case of bearish, meaning, of course, this finish as ABC, or we are in an ABC as well here, A, B, and a C for a wave 2, meaning, of course, 1, 2, 1, 2 there, and then pushing toward the upside. As you can see, of course, the price decision that it was supposed to do here, it took the low so far from this area, because we were potentially in 3 waves here in case it is a very fast zigzag. Then we push for higher because we saw, of course, some pump here, but this did not work, right? The decision was to move on. Now, we have another decision there. Would it continue to move on, or would it decide to push for higher in ABC again, and then pushing, of course, in a wave 3? Otherwise, if we break this area and we push for lower, definitely this path is taking, of course, the bear market confirmation. However, on the 50-minute chart for Ethereum here, we have already a potential finish here Yeah, I have a problem. Sorry, guys, I was thinking about this pattern. I have a problem with this pattern as a wave one, honestly, because as you can see, you have 1 2 and then 1 2 and then what is that? Definitely, it is something corrective, unless we are looking for a large 1 2 here, meaning A, B, and a C for a wave two, and then pushing down. This is the only way to count it. Therefore, the wave one is over here, wave two, wave three, four, and a five. Yeah, so that it might be unfolding here. I'm gonna put this in gray actually, because this wave in the magenta might be, of course, still unfolding there. Here we go. 3, 4, and a 5. There you go. And wave C potentially to be finished over there. By all means, if we are in a wave one, wave two here, 1 2 3 4 and a 5 for a wave 3, 4 and a 5. So that might finish, of course, an ABC here, which it can be, nobody knows, it can be W, X, and a Y, but I doubt it, guys. This is looking perfect impulse. Therefore, yeah, very likely also to get another wave 4 and a 5 and to finish a wave 2 or a wave C. It depends, of course, how much deep it's going to be. So it can finish even this double 4-5 somewhere here at 0.786 and then pushing toward the upside. It doesn't mean that we have double 4-5 that we have to be very, very bearish, unless, of course, if the market decides to extend those 4-5 toward the downside by taking the low. But this area is to be watched, and of course we're gonna see what's gonna happen. A decision has to be made, of course, over there. In case we are bullish, of course, we have to keep it in mind before going bearish. So one more last decision, of course, between bullish and bearish, and then confirmation for a bear market, guys, even for deeper bear market, because we're already in it. Yep, so this is regarding Ethereum. We're gonna see Solana for the all-time history as well. For Solana, we are looking also at this daily or all-time history here. We have several possibilities, which they are bullish, of course. 3 bullish scenarios, 1 2 3 4 5 leading diagonal, which is my highest probability here. Wave 5 has to unfold, and exactly from the perfect fib level for wave 4 here in a leading diagonal. But one more low is very likely as well. Don't forget, because you have double 1 2 3 4 5 4 5, and you want to finish ABC and then pushing for a wave 5. The second scenario is a 1 2, another 1 2 here. The wave 2 is a minimum target 0.38, A, B, and a C in double 1 2 3 4 5 4 5, of course, and as well, and then pushing toward the upside. Final scenario is a large A in the 3 waves, but you need a large wave B, I believe. Yeah, so the timing as a wave A require also time as a wave B. And this is the deepest bear market here that it might be unfolding here, maybe, of course, as an impulse, A, B, and a C. Of course, this is a little bit far, right? So $6 for Solana, we cannot accept this, right? So I doubt this wave B. It's the lowest probability here, meaning one more low, and then we are very likely to push for higher. Let's dive inside it here for the 2 hours chart. So as you can see, after this massive dump here, we are estimating the situation there. So the massive dump is represented as follow: double 1 2 1 2 3 4 5 here for wave 3, and then wave 4 and a wave 5, that it can be finished there. But don't forget that you have double wave 1 2 here. Meaning the orange wave 5 here is finished, but we still need to finish the blue count here, which is, I'm going to put it in the brackets here, wave 3, and then this wave 4, of course, in the blue here, has to be finished also over there. Yeah, so basically here, within the wave Y or the wave C, meaning A, B, and a C can be finished, or of course a W, X, and a wave Y finished in a wave 4, and then we push in 1 2 3 4 5 inside it. If we dive inside it on the 1 hour chart here, we can see, of course, after this pattern, this corrective pattern, that we have A, B, and a C, 1 2 3 4 5 here, can be, of course, unfolding something corrective as a 1 2 3, which is also very high possibility. But at the same time, you cannot ignore as well a 1 2 and another wave 1 and ABC wave 2 at 1 to 1 fib level taken from the A to the B to the C. Let's dive inside this corrective wave here. So basically we have an impulse over there, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Okay, wave 1 or wave A. Then we got an ABC, of course, as a wave B or a wave 2, and then a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 over there. This wave 5 is very, very close to be finished, as you can see, around the 1-to-1 fib level, which is taken from the A to the B to the C, giving a high possibility that the things might shift exactly from the red box here, which is a 0.618, 0.786 for a potential wave 1-2. Therefore, to be watched, of course, $81 is a key level between bullish and bearish. If broken and we push toward the downside, that means, of course, a new low is taking place, and we might see, of course, this final low that we saw on the daily before, of course, a bull run to start for Solana again from the 57 potentially, or simply by taking the trigger for a bull run, meaning $67 as, of course, a new low, and then boom. Yep, so this is regarding Solana as well. Finally, we're gonna see SUI. For SUI as well, we're gonna go all-time history first to explain what's going on. So for SUI as well, it is very interesting because it is a clear price action in a zigzag wave A, clear zigzag wave B, and of course clear impulse to unfold toward the upside in the next bull run. And that means, of course, as this scenario here as an ABC is finishing up as a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. I'm gonna explain why I went with one impulse as 1, 2, 3 and potential wave 4 and a 5. That because, of course, of the micro level here. I'm gonna explain them a little bit on the 4 hours chart here. So since that drop here as a potential diagonal 1, 2, we have a potential wave 3, 4, and a 5. Now the wave 5 here, if we have a 1, 2, 3, and this is your wave 4, let's say this is corrective, your wave 4 is not alternating anywhere here with this wave 2, of course, as a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Meaning, I start to doubt whether we are bullish, meaning this impulse is done 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 over there, and you are looking at 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5, very bullish, or you are alternating a wave 4 for this wave 2 over there. By all means, this can be the following here as something like this, sorry, 1, 2 there. That means 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5, 4, 5. Okay, and this, okay, can be an alternation for such a correction in a wave 2, but not such a correction in a wave 2 over here. Timing. The same is for this one, which is alternating this wave 2, and the same also for this wave 4 here, alternating this wave 2. So that's why I'm still thinking, okay, if this is a correction wave 4, definitely it is a triple 1, 2 here for SUI 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 4 and a 5, and now 4 and a 5. Yep, so this will end up, of course, the structure, the bearish. And finally here, if we are in a 1, 2, and then another 1, 2, another 1, 2 as well, well, that becomes, of course, a very low possibility. And that because, of course, of this A, B, and a C unfolding right now. Now, okay, I see that this is a very close impulse to be finished in a short wave C. So we gotta be careful from the short wave C always. But don't forget that this can transform to 1, 2 again, 3, 4, 5. And of course, dropping down in a massive 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Finalizing, of course, this bear market, taking a new low as a bull trigger, and of course, pushing toward the upside again. So by all means, yeah, I'm still looking here for a price decision. I know that this can still be a possibility, but the 886, I believe, is taken here. As you can see, the 886 impulse wave 2, yeah, so very low possibility. That means the wave 1, 2 here will be invalidated, meaning the double 1, 2 will be invalidated and will be taking a new low for SUI, guys. Yep, so that was it for Ethereum, Solana, and SUI, a very detailed analysis from the all-time history to the lower time frame. Before you leave, make sure to join our private Discord community. There you will get daily updates faster than YouTube, plus exclusive bonus trading signals for the gold, silver, Bitcoin, and stocks. You can also request one special technical analysis every day and get access even to our only members video on YouTube and also on Discord, and stay ahead, of course, with economic and political news that actually moves the market. And of course, we do regular Q&A sessions, so you can get your questions answered directly in the Discord. And of course, if you're serious about leveling your trading, the Discord link is below in the description and in the comments. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.